Once you start getting on the phone, you need to prepare psychologically. Warmth, competence, confidence, effectiveness. Do you sound friendly, warm, and approachable on the phone? Do you sound competent and credible on the phone? How confident do you sound on the phone? How effective are your phone conversations? I want to share some interesting pieces of advice of learning successful sales call based on behavioral research. Inepu.com, quality videos when you need them. Step 1. Start all sales call with a bang. One study tried to figure out how to increase room service tips for waiters in hotels. Much to the researchers' surprise, all the waiters had to do was to start with a positive comment. When hotel guests opened their door, waiters said, "Good morning," and gave a positive weather forecast for the day. Just that one simple pleasant comment increased their tips by 27%. Never start your sales call or meetings by talking about bad weather, traffic, or being busy. Always begin with a positive comment. Think great weather, fun weekend plans, or a favorite sport team winning a game. That kicks most sales call off on the light. Step 2. Don't badmouth competitors during sales call. The biggest self-sabotage mistake during sales call is to speak ill to our competitor. Due to a psychological trait called spontaneous trait transference, research has shown that whenever you say bad things about someone else, your audience puts those same traits on you. If we say your competitor has low quality and unreliable in graphic design, for example, your potential client can't help but associate those traits with you, even if they know logically that you are talking about third part. So no matter what, when it comes to gossip about competitors, always say no comment. Step 3. Use awesome labels. When you assign someone a positive label, like being a good person or look presentable, that actually choose them to live up to that label. In one study about fundraising, the researcher told the average donors that they were in fact among the highest donors. Can you guess what happened? Those donors proceeded to donate above average amount will live up to our positive labels. When you are contacting a client or potential customer, give them good labels. However, be sure they are genuine. I never want you to be fake or manipulative. In that way, the client will actually want to be one of your best customers and try even harder to be a pleasure to do business with. Step 4. Set the agenda and stay in control. When I get on sales call that I have set up from meeting requests, I always like to articulate clear agendas and ask the prospects if that's okay with them. For example, you might say, "Well, I'm glad we are able to connect today. I would love to go over and then would be happy to answer any questions you might have. How does that sound to you?" This way, we can keep our calls on track and accomplish what I want to accomplish, while at the same time making them feel in control of the conversation. Step 5. Stand up. Allow your passion and excitement for the product to come through in your sales call. Make it something the prospect can be affected by. For this reason, should stand up and do sales calls in many common space instead of hiding in a conference room. Step 6. Use emphasis wisely during sales call. Focus on your inflection, especially on voicemails. Bedrock Data CEO John Marcus describes this as putting makeup on your calls. By adding inflection to the right words, you sound more passionate and articulate, and in turn more convincing. Congratulations! If you start from the first lesson now, cover telephone sales skills. This course for real-life telephone practice. It allows all participants to learn by doing rather than being lectured at. That intensive feedback from the instructor guarantees direct skills reinforcement and individual skills development. Take your time now and start telephone practice. By using successful phone strategies and psychological-backed selling techniques, you will learn what not to say and when not to call, and master what to say and when to call, about call and warm call. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. If you are new to Inepu channel, subscribe by clicking the subscribe button to get our latest lessons right here.
Inepu Team, let the world know.